Tiny Stars TV.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We're visiting the farm today. Rain, rain, go away. Cows go moo and chickens peep, horses neigh and puppies leap. Goats climb rocks with fun, sheep play games under the sun. Ducks splash gently in the pond, piglets roll in mud beyond. Rain makes puddles deep and long, so the animals lose their song. Let the sunshine warm the hay. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We're visiting the farm today. Rain, rain, go away. Cows go moo and chickens peep, horses neigh and puppies leap. Goats climb rocks with fun, sheep play games under the sun. Ducks splash gently in the pond, piglets roll in mud beyond. Rain makes puddles deep and long, so the animals lose their song. Let the sunshine warm the hay. Rain, rain, go away.
Subscribe for more rhymes, songs, and fun.